right, I gotta move on, guys, because I gotta go to Hemi Tick at Brothers Deep Ticking. Just the rocket shaft broken. One can say Kent Early. Kent Early. Gotta watch the videos, man. We found the camshaft in that truck in that engine was not okay. We went and got a new camshaft from the dealer. Naturally, the dealer gonna ask for the VIN. We gave the dealer the VIN. We got a camshaft that's not the same as the camshaft that come out of it. I want to believe the VIN hasn't been tampered with or the engine hasn't been tampered with as far as replacement. So what could have happened is the last mechanic that worked on it may have installed the wrong cam and likely didn't tighten down his rocker shaft, torque it down rather. Nobody would never know, because anybody that say I know exactly what he did wrong is lying, and they would be guessing, because you have no way of knowing. You can visually see what you suspect was wrong, but you really have no way of knowing. So I'm not sure if that's all it was, but that was some of the issues. Kent Early, that's what's up, man. Hold tight, guys. Big Rod.
Yo, what's up?
What's up, man? Where your camera at, man? I'm still on live stream. You should jump on, man. You gotta get it.
I'm gonna answer the question.
Yeah, I got you on. You on now. You on that. Matter of fact, somebody just asked me, where'd that question go? All right. This question right here. That Hemi Citadel at Brothers Deep Ticking, was it just the rocker shaft broken? Was that the only thing wrong with it?
The rocker shaft was broken, and also it had the wrong shaft, wrong cam in it. But the main thing that was the main issue was two of the bolts was loose, and it was rising up on top of the valve cover.
Ooh, so it wasn't torqued down. I'm speculating, so I end up speculating correctly.
It was not torqued down. You got to torque it down to 24 inch pounds. You got to torque them, and then after you torque it, you got to go back and torque it again. I always torque when I do cams and lifters. I make sure I torque them, because a lot of people might make the mistake. They'll think that when you put new lifters on in the engine, the lifters sometimes be sitting up. On they'll be sitting up on the rockers, and then the engine will run for a little while, and then the lifters will drop down and sit correctly on the cam. But if you don't go back and check your torque, you always stand a chance that might happen. You had to torque it. They tell you in the book to do that. Like after you torque it the first time, then go back and check and torque it again. And check your torque before you put the valve cover gasket on it.
Oh, okay.
So what happened was, one, it didn't have the right cam in it. Two, they didn't go back and check their torque, and that what happened. Cause you remember when I told you because they told me that they did that work about a year ago. And then I was like, I ain't really want to fool with it anymore, because no technician want to go behind nobody else.
You got that right.
And fix whatever they did. Cause you never know what you might find.
Yeah.
Cause it could have been way uglier than that. Cause them bolts could have rose up out of there and stripped out the hose in the head. I mean, where the rockers go. They could have stripped everything out. It could have been very, very ugly. But I was managed to save that engine for real.
Wow.
That's all I want to tell you. Answer that question. That's the question.
Okay. Yeah, they coming at me left and right with this.
The 3.8 is a push rod engine, so yes, it's got hydraulic lifters.
The lifters is they push rod. Yeah, I get brain froze sometimes.
I know you got a lot of questions. You got to answer
as many those 3.8s I have done.
Just answering questions about all kinds of stuff too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot to answer all in 20 minutes. You a bad boy, man. I gotta get that to you.
Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah, I mean, I try to stay on. We rolling up on an hour now, so I try to stay on an hour. But I'm gonna wrap up these last few. So what's next? What's some on the that 2.7? You gonna throw that in?
I gotta do a water pump. I like to do some gravy first then I'm gonna jump on that. I gotta do a 2. I'm gonna do the 2.7 next. Then I gotta do a 3.6. I got a 3.6 over there with it. They actually changed the oil in it, and then guess what? They left the drain plug out of it, and they brought it over to me, and I put like 6 quarts of oil in it, and all leaked all on the floor.
Oh,
they ain't have no damn drain plug in it. Yeah, so I got to do that one. That one. I also got a Toyota over there. Toyota engine I got to do.
Oh wow!
So
that's a swap out.
I got another Jeep engine I got to do too.
Okay, so you kind of busy for a while. That's what's up.
Yeah, I'm busy, but I'm trying to move on something easy like that. Doing body lift.
that Toyota a swap out, or what are you doing to that? Just engine swap out?
Well, body lift?
No, that Toyota you mentioned earlier. That's a swap out.
No, that Toyota. They actually they came to me and they were saying that actually the customer came to me and said all the oil has leaked out. They had a cut hose on it by the cooler, and all the oil drained out of it, and the car shut down.
Oh.
Yeah, so I found a hose for it because you gotta have like a special fitted hose. I found a hose for it, and I put everything back together, and the car drove good for like a couple of days. And she called me back and said the car had just stopped running.
Wow.
So she brought it back to me. I tried to turn the crank. That shit was locked up.
Oh no, it's seized up. Oh, it's seized up.
Huh? Yeah, it's seized up. So you can't. Once she said it happened. She said actually. She told me that happened to her by like 3 times. She damaged that engine like that 3 times before she brought the car to me.
Oh wow.
So now I got. We set everything up where I'm waiting on the engine now. It's an insurance job. Cause what happened was a rodent ate into one of the hoses. Like it's got the same thing like we got on a 3.6, but a rodent ate into the hose, and all the oil shot out everywhere. So
wow, that's what's
so when
up,
the engine come for that makes some great videos.
Oh yeah,
I set it up for you.
Yeah, we gotta get it set up because I'm not always there and everything. But yeah, we'll set something up though. I got an idea we can do something, but that's what's up. So
yeah, so I'll admit we can do some videos.
All right, man. That's what's up. Appreciate you jumping in.
All right.
All right. Later.
All right.